Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 50 DIY Christmas gifts for 2017. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I will be uploading a video either next week or the week after where I show you how to make DIY Christmas gifts, but this video is just to give you some ideas on what to make, and I will link the website down below where I found all of these. It's called Country Living, I believe. Yes, it's called Country Living. And before I get started, I just want to let you guys know that I'm having a huge holiday giveaway on my channel right now, so all you have to do is be subscribed and also subscribe to my vlog channel and follow me on social media to have a better chance of winning, or a higher chance of winning, because I'm going to be picking the most active subscriber. So I am giving away a Polaroid camera and a bunch of slime supplies, so I'll have the giveaway video linked down below, and it is international. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first DIY Christmas gift idea is a spice rack. And sorry if you hear some background noise, it's just really hot in my room. I'm wearing a sweater. I live in California. I have studio lights, so I opened my window because it's hot in here. But anyway, this spice rack seems really cool, and all you need is a piece of wood, and then you can make the shelves out of wood and add some spices, add a little hook. Next is a vintage license plate birdhouse, and this seems super cool. All you need is a vintage license plate. You can probably find that at a thrift store or online somewhere, and then make a birdhouse, or maybe buy a cheap birdhouse and paint it. So I did show this in my video last year. I've actually filmed a video like this last year, but I tried to find different DIYs. This one is on this website, so I just wanted to share it with you guys again, and I will link the video I made last year of the 50 DIY Christmas gifts, because if you want any more ideas, be sure to go check out that video. But these are little gift toppers, so you could get some paper or straws and buttons and string and make all of these. They just seem super cute. Next is a snow globe cookie jar. So all you need is a plastic deer, some little Christmas forest trees, or you could just buy like one. You could probably find those at Michael's or online, Amazon. And you need a mason jar, of course. You could paint the jar, add some ribbon, add a cute little happy holidays tag, and you are good to go. Next is marigold, honey, and oatmeal soap, and the directions are on this website. All you need is a cast style base. I don't really know what that means. I think that's like the soap part. I don't know. I've never made soap before. There's so many soap tutorials on YouTube, so definitely just YouTube it. You know how people say Google it, YouTube it. I don't know. Anyway, you also need some essential oil and a pan, as well as some almond oil. You could give someone a pillow and just tie on a ribbon. You can make a pillow if you want, make a pillowcase out of fabric. You could actually make a no-sew pillowcase. Maybe I should do a video on this. I don't know if I've seen anyone make these before, but it's pretty simple. All you do is take some fabric and then measure it to the size of the pillow, and then you just hot glue the edges and then put in some stuffing, or just like leave an opening and then place the pillow inside. For this wooden clothespin coaster, all you have to do is hot glue wooden clothespins into like a circle shape. You could paint it, make it look more festive. Next is a shrinky dink necklace. There's just some bottles of perfume and like pictures in this as well. You can actually buy shrinky dinks. I've actually bought them from Target before in the like dollar section. If you've never heard of them, basically you color them and then you like you shrink it in the microwave, I think, or no, in the oven, and then you could add a necklace chain to it. Next are ceramic tile coasters. I've actually made these in a DIY before, but all you do is get a tile. You can get it from Home Depot, and then you take a picture, print it out, and Mod Podge it onto the coaster. You can make a phone case, iPod case, even a laptop case out of fabric, and to get this really cool design, you could take a transfer sheet and transfer on the pattern to the fabric that you're using. You could make goat's milk soap. This is just an idea. All you need is a soap base, a silicone cake mold. Oh, melt and pour goat's milk soap base. Oh, it's a goat's milk soap base. So yeah, if you want to make this, you have to get that base. You can get it from Amazon. Button rings. All you do is hot glue buttons onto a ring. It's as simple as that. They're calling these key fobs. But basically you just need eye hooks, key rings, and some figurines if you want. Basically, you could just make someone a keychain out of these materials. A teapot. All you need is a cup and saucer set and a porcelain fine point marker. Embroidered handkerchiefs. That's pretty cool. If you know someone who uses a handkerchief, I know my grandpa uses a handkerchief, so I think that's so cute. Oh my gosh. If you're good at sewing or embroidering, then do that. Cutting board tablet holder. I have seen this on Pinterest so much, and I think this is super cute. You need a cutting board paddle, wood glue, Scrabble letter rack, and wooden wedges. This is kind of an expensive DIY, but probably cheaper to make it, honestly. So stenciled animal mugs. Oh, this is so cute. So you could get farm animal stencils, or you could really get any stencil you want. If you want to make it festive, you could get like gingerbread man stencil, snowman stencil, Santa Claus, Christmas tree, whatever. And you also need some perm enamel paint. So basically you have to use this certain paint so that it can go in the washing machine. Also a porcelain coffee mug, and you basically just put the stencil on the mug and color it in with the paint. Not color it in, you have to paint the design on. Like I was saying earlier, you can make someone a pillow, but you could also make a pillow out of like different types of fabric. This is kind of like a sweater material. I think this is super pretty. Next is an animal tote craft, and all you need is a canvas bag, iron-on adhesive, or you could even paint on the canvas, paint a cool design. Next are mason jar lid coasters. So all you need is the lid of a mason jar, and then you would cut out a circle out of corkboard and then hot glue that onto the lid of the mason jar. And you can find pieces of corkboard from Walmart. You can make this ombre necklace. All you need is some cord, jump rings, lobster clasps. You can make someone a thimble necklace. So all you need is a little thimble. You need a jump ring and a chain, a wire chain. What is it called? Necklace chain. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, you can make someone a punny gift, and they're calling these witty gloves. So you could embroider on different sayings like ladylike or homebody, handmade, bookworm. That's really cute. Photo pillows. All you need are iron-on transfer sheets onto fabric and then make it into a pillow. You could hot glue the edges, or you could sew it if you're into that. I'm not the best at sewing, so I would just use hot glue. You can make a pouch. You can make this into a pencil pouch, a foam pouch, whatever, and all you need are some zippers, and you could like hot glue these together or sew them together. I think that'd be a really cool DIY. I want to make that. An apron or any kitchen gift if they are a chef or if they just love cooking. Tea tin candles. Recycle graphic tea tins. That's cool. By turning them into decorative candles, they make a great hostess gift. So the tutorial, I'll link it down below. A memory card game. To actually make this, you need cardstock and or just pieces of paper, and then also you can maybe like draw the pictures, or you could stencil them on, you could print them out on the paper, and you would just need like doubles or pairs of all of them. This is a chandelier prism necklace. This is super pretty. All you need is wire, a chain, and a gold S hook. Oh, you can find this at like flea markets. They sell different like, little beads and pendants and stuff like that at Michael's, and then you can make it into a necklace. A bent spoon recipe box. That's cute. So all you need is a wooden box and a bent spoon, and just like hot glue the spoon on there. Souvenir boxes. So all you need are some small boxes, and you could place souvenirs inside, and wherever you went, you could place a picture of the state or country on the box as well. Handmade candles. I know this is another candle recipe, but I think these teacup candles are so cute. I've seen these all over Pinterest as well. Jewelry magnets. All you need are some little like pendants. Like I said, you could get them from Michael's or just different pieces of jewelry, and then hot glue magnets on the back. A mouse pad. You could take a piece of fabric, maybe hot glue something on the back just so it's more like sturdy, and then use transfer paper to transfer on a cool design on the fabric, or you could paint a design if you're really good at painting. Ooh, you can make candle holders for the candles, and these are super pretty. Oh, all you need is burlap. This burlap has a really cool design. If you're using tea light candles, put it in a glass and then wrap the burlap around and maybe hot glue it. Holiday shakers. So for salt and pepper, well, this is just salt, but you could, I don't know, you could place fake snow inside. The brass arrow earrings. So all you need are some needle nose pliers, 2 brass arrows, and you also need earring wires. So if you do make this for someone, just make sure that the metal you're using is clean and also that they're not allergic to the metal you're using. Hand stamped cutting boards. All you need is a piece of wood and then some stamps. You could even like paint it on the sides. If someone wants to be super organized, they'll know like this is a cutting board for fruit, this one is for bread, this one's for veggies. Bookmarks with pieces of jewelry as well, if you just have like random pendants or jewelry lying around, or you could find really cheap ones from Amazon or Michael's, and then you could just attach it to a bookmark. You could hot glue it, or you could add little jump rings to attach it. Next are woodland necklaces. So you could take a little pine cone or acorn charms and attach it to a necklace chain. Next is a DIY mint sugar scrub. Sugar scrubs are pretty easy to make. All you need is essential oil if you want it to smell a certain scent. So for this one, it's mint. You can even do peppermint for the holidays. You could place it in a little jar, and you would also need coconut oil and sugar, of course. DIY hand warmers. For this, all you need is some rice, I think, and you would first make the fabric part. So you could just cut out a piece of fabric, it could be pretty small, and then you could hot glue the sides or sew it and then place rice inside. Actually, maybe don't use hot glue, because if someone has to put this in the microwave or something, that would not work. So maybe just sew it. DIY fleece blankets, and you could just go to the fabric store or Walmart and get a big piece of fabric and then add little pom-poms to the edges. That would be so cute. Grapefruit lavender soap and coconut mint soap. I bet it smells really good as well. All you need is a ½ pound raw shea butter, lavender essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and maybe a few other things. I'm not really sure. Gingerbread bath bombs. Bath bombs were huge on YouTube a few years ago. Everyone was making bath bombs. I've never made a bath bomb before, but I think it'd be really fun. All you need, actually I'm not sure what you need, but there's lots of tutorials on YouTube on how to make bath bombs. Maybe I will make that in a future video. Do you guys want me to make bath bombs? Pressed flowers. All you need is a clear frame, and you could take flowers from outside. You could even use fake flowers if you want. I think the point is to use real flowers, and then place it in a glass frame. You could paint kitchen utensils, but be sure to use paint that's not going to chip off, because obviously you don't want that in your food. Just make sure that you're using like paint that's safe and everything like that. But I think this looks really pretty, and you could use red and green and maybe some blue colors to make it festive. Why? Can you guys hear that? Here is another blanket. This is a cozy oversized knit blanket, and if you're good at crocheting or knitting, then I think this would be perfect to make someone. DIY pinecone fire starter favors. What? That's so cool. I'll have the tutorial linked down below. Here's another apron. I think this floral fabric is so cute, and I love Joann Fabrics for getting fabrics, so definitely check that store out if you guys have one near you. Next is a chalkboard serving tray. So all you need is a piece of wood, some chalkboard paint. Oh, you should probably hot glue or screw on some little handles. The next DIY you can make someone are some slippers and attach a little ribbon to it, and also attach some goodies inside like gift cards, nail polish, candy. Next is a gift wrap caddy. I think I showed this in last year's video as well, but I do think this is a great gift idea, or just something to make for the holidays, honestly. You don't have to give someone this. Some people might think that's kind of weird. I mean, I wouldn't mind getting this because I love like organization and stuff like that. Next are towels, and you could embroider a cute little saying on there. This one says, "This home runs on love and cups of strong coffee." That's funny. Next is this little tea bag Christmas tree. All you need are some tea bags. You could add a little star to the top and take the tea bags onto a Christmas tree base, or like a foam Christmas tree. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to enter the huge holiday giveaway where I'm giving away slime supplies and a Polaroid camera. I'll have the giveaway link down below, and be sure to check out my merchandise. I will have the website and